Okay, we just got the other one fired up. I'll fix it first. This one needs a little bit, but well, needs a lot, but needs a little bit to get it in the field to get the crops off this year. Wonder if she'll start. This one hasn't ran in about a month and a half, 2 months. Ever since our monsoon, October. Okay. Before I go up there, this one was down for 2 years. After we stripped the splines off the pinion. So the manual says you have to take the whole outer off, pull the main out before you get the pinion out. You can get it out without taking the outer off the combine. You just have to take the wheel off. But it wrecks the seal. And you got to be careful with the bearing cage on the main gear. So my seal isn't seated. There's no way to seat it without actually doing it as per the manual. But if you're in a pinch and you need new splines, it'll get you through. You'll just have to take the outer off when you're done and clean all the crap out that gets in there from the seal and do it right. But we're just hobby farmers and this will work. Alright, let's see if she'll start. I didn't check the oil on this one, so I'll just see if it'll start, then I'll shut it off. It was good last time. It's been good every time, so I'm sure it's good. Alright, so... Oh yeah. It's in gear so it won't roll. Great. Hey. Oh, we have ignition. Okay, cut the choke a bit. Oh my god, is that stiff? Try her again. I'll do it again. Okay, choke off. Battery. It's flooded out there. Battery. Try her with the throttle open. Again, wouldn't start. Put the second battery up. We'll see if she'll go. It still smells flooded. Choke off. Full throttle. Nice. That battery's good to go. Take 3. Boost car. Woo. Oh, come on. This would be so much better with help. Okay. Goddamn side posts. That was almost like slow-mo. Oh my god, if it doesn't turn over this time, I'm gonna lose it. Oh, better! Okay, so crappy side post terminals and trying to attach cables to them in the hood of that thing. The amount I boost, I should just put terminals on the side. Boost posts. to go. Hey. Could be that the fuel's empty. Seems like the gas siphoners hit us every time we fuel them up. Oh yeah. Oil pressure, good. All 7 times I was down there, I didn't check the oil. Damn it. Oh, yeah. Gotta love flex pipe exhaust. Woohoo! Give her a little crack here. It's alive! So, people who had this before, I did this temporarily last year because, yeah, my bad. All the rest of the wiring is their wiring. And if you think this is bad, you should see the main power wire coming off the alternator. It's just bare and twisted together. See it there, but one day I'll fix it. Okay. Well, oil pressure's good. I got a 360 in case this one blows, so I don't really care. Although it would suck right now. Okay, the reason why I shut the camera off when I come down the stairs is because this one time I didn't. Sprained my ankle really bad. Running, can't even hear it. No. Yeah, this one's down. Fuel pump's cold. Oh man. I'll have to check it out. Anyways, there's the beast.